No longer can we really have blizzard conditions, and I've got a lot of interesting little tidbits here, so listen up, because you're going to find this interesting along with all of you out there. First of all, it turns out that this will probably go down in the books as a blizzard because some of the reporting stations met the requirement of 3 straight hours of a visibility quarter mile or less and frequent wind gusts over 35. Not all stations, but more to come about that as it's analyzed after the fact. But here's some of the snowfall totals. You see 3 feet like around Westford. I mean, these are all in the 30s in terms of accumulation. That's pretty impressive. Now, a couple of other things I want to show you here about this, and this is really interesting because when we talk about other places, you see Sharon is up over 30 inches, but look at Boston, 23.3. Now, here's what's interesting. That is the most snow out of any one storm ever in Boston in the month of January. Okay, so there is a record that has been set. How does it fit in terms of all the top 10 storms of Boston? Well, it's going to go in at number 6, just after the blizzard of 2013, which is the one from 2 years ago. Now, that's going to happen unless the latest updated accumulation, which probably won't come in until 1 a.m., actually could exceed this, and then it might actually get into 5th place. But in terms of snowfall and the overall storm, it had some similarities to that blizzard of 2013. All right, here's our temperature. Here's the other snowfall amounts for you. And Worcester. Now, this is new information. Worcester, 33.5 inches of snow. Guess what? That's the new number 1. This one is going to get crossed out. That is the most snow ever in a storm in Worcester, and this is the way it looks as we map it out on our charts. So that's the story with the snow. We'll let you know how we're going forward in just a moment, but I want to check in with Mike because he has some interesting information to share with you as well.
Yeah, Harvey, I want to talk about these winds a little bit. You know, we talked about how strong they were as we were this morning. You know, look at some of these. Nantucket, 78-mile-per-hour winds. Hummerock, there, 74 miles per hour. Sagamore, 70 miles. Look at all of these over 70 miles per hour. Why is that important? Because it's going to have an impact on tomorrow morning's high tide. Why? Well, let me show you. Well, of course, we have that coastal flood advisory out for tomorrow. Now, this is around the time of high tide. What happened was all those strong winds basically pushed all this water into Cape Cod Bay. Well, we just have a high tide for tomorrow, and you know what's going to happen. All of that water is going to try to work its way back into our area, and that's the reason that we have that flood advisory in effect. It is not out for the North Shore, however, because that area is not going to be as impacted by that filling effect that we had from all the winds. Ed and Heather?
We're clarifying, just for the South Shore, Mike, you're talking about?
Yes, just for the South Shore and through the Cape.
Wow.
It's enough that they had to deal with it for the last 2 days, Harvey. Now that we got to deal with it again in the morning.
Yeah, okay, let's talk a little bit about the morning and what it's actually going to feel like out there. So this is the story. It's going to be very cold. The temperature is going to be anywhere from the single digits to the teens. That's going to be the story. That's for tomorrow. And the high temperature will be about 29 at best. Probably not even that. Thursday, you've got sunshine, then high clouds late in the day. Now, the next situation is late Thursday night, Friday, possibly into Friday night, early Saturday. Looks like a period of snow. There is the potential for a couple of inches with that, especially if the storm intensifies just before departing. Then we're okay through the daylight hours of Sunday. Then we got to start watching late Sunday night and Monday, as that has some potential of snow and or rain, and we'll see how it plays out. So we're in a somewhat active pattern. I certainly don't see anything resembling this storm, obviously, in the near future, but we're still in a somewhat active pattern and cold pattern overall.